Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you can set up Litokam WiFi Smart Camera device, and you can connect your camera to Wi-Fi, which helps to access it remotely. So, let's start the process. First, download the littlelf Smart app on your smartphone. Then power on the camera. Open the app and tap the plus icon or Add Device on the homepage. Now, select the camera device model, which you want to pair with the app. Then, select on the confirmation box and click on the Next button. In the Next, select the Wi-Fi network and type the Wi-Fi password. QR displayed on the mobile screen. You need to bring this code in the front of camera to scan. When the scanning is completed, then it beep with a sound. Now, click on the I had a prompt option. Your camera is connecting and it takes up to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, your camera is successfully paired with the app. Click the Done button to finish. If you face any trouble, then contact the technical assistance team. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.